Good evening to all. Happy to see you all in the evening. Today, we are going to see regarding a case study regarding our subject wireless ad hoc and sensor network. We already gone through several number of industry case studies, which is related to the case of industry and finding some suitable solution based on the case study, which will be helpful for the industry in their expensive point of view and as well as their growth point of view. So with this, today we are going to see regarding another industry case study which is related to the uh, real-time applications of home appliances, where we visited the company called Explore IT Corp. So it is an emerging company where they are working on the home appliances and as well as with the help of integrating the sensors as a major products of marketing. So with this note, they are focusing products which integrated with the sensors. And when we started discussion with the members of company, the major products they are working on the fridge, which they are placing on the public sectors, the fridge will be there. And the main problem what they are facing on will be the door maybe in some cases door maybe cannot be closed. In that cases, the lot of electricity will be wasted on. So with this, they are facing a lot of difficulty and they express their thing. With this note, we thought of considering this as our case study so that we can find some suitable solution for identification of the door open in the fridge, and it will be helpful for the industry growth. So that is why we chosen the case study as a case study on fridge door open detection and as well as monitoring system with the help of using sensors, where sensors plays a vital role in this identification of door open in a fridge. So if we are considering a scenario as a public environment, we are placing the fridge for the government. So probably the members which we are using, they will not be care on closing the door. So many cases when we have a survey on that, the case which will be frequently cases where the doors will be open because a bigger one we can't able to know about the door has been closed or not. When we came to the closer one only, we can identify the door has been closed or not. So this is a frequent thing happening over there in the public environment. So that is why we chosen this case study as our today's work. So we visited the company Explore IT Corp. They are working on these um, real-time scenarios of the fridge. So we thought of finding the lot of parameters we have to consider. There, it involved a lot of data analytic part for the prediction of whether the door has been opened or not. So, which case, so trust area which you are chosen as data analytics, and it will be helpful for the global public sector and as well as for the government, so that it will reduce in all the aspects of either an electricity or a cooling which will be in the within the container. This can be happen. So that is why it chosen the industry vertical as smart city. With this, we started our empathy part with the company. When we have a discussion with the members, they explain the pain problems which they are facing on these cases, where it is very difficult for them for identifying the open door in the public environment. It is done on the manual basis because they are not on series of closing the doors. So we need a human resource should be manually checked in order to door has been closed or not. So since it is a bigger one, the time required will be more for the huge number of things. With this, the expense wise in the sense the electricity and the damage happened to the fridge, and as well the temperature will be cooling temperature will be went out. With this, the cost expensive plays a vital role. And as you already said, with the help of all these, we need a human manual resource for identification. With this, it is a large amount of human resource is wasted. When we have a clear empathy part, we converge into a single problem defined statement. The main problem when we have in the discussion with them, the opening identification of the fridge door manually, it is very difficult for them. Where we thought of finding some suitable solution with the help of the sensors. This is a problem defined statement. When we define the problem statement in such a way that we can find some suitable solution which will be helpful for the environment as well as company. So during the ideation part, we discussion with the company members, they're finding a lot of different solution. It will be helpful in such a way that for the it's helpful for the environment as well as for the company growth. And finally, we came into a conclusion of solution which will be very well suitable for this case and for the company. So we started off giving a solution where mobile application plays a vital role in this part. So what we suggest will be we are going to integrate the sensor in the door of the fridge, and then in order to avoid the manual work, we integrate the sensor with the Arduino module, where Arduino module will have an interface with the mobile application, so that if a door has been kept for a certain period of time, since it reaches the threshold value, automatically the message will be communicated from the sensors to the mobile application with the help of this Arduino board, so that the manual way of frequently visiting the door open will be reduced to a major extent. This is where we find a solution to develop a mobile application. We will display the message regarding the fridge door open detection and monitoring system using sensors in the industry, and helpful for saving the life of the fridge. So when we elaborating in detail about the solution part, where we thought of Arduino board is a major board of integrating all the components. So we thought of integrating all the components together with the Arduino board. Since we want to plan the application with the mobile application, so Arduino board will be having both a transmitter and a receiver, so that it can receive the data from the sensor and as well as to transmit the data to the mobile application, right? So we place a 9-volt battery where the information will be shared, and the battery will send the information from the sensor so that you can make the things happen. So here the battery will be held with the Arduino board. The sensor will be integrated with the Arduino board, right? And with this Arduino board acting an interface between the mobile application. Since there is a threshold value we fixed on to the sensors, if it exceeds the threshold value, automatically the sensor will send the information to the Arduino board. So the Arduino board will receive the data with the help of receiver, and it will transmit the information to the integrated mobile application which is with the members, so that the mobile application will display the entire detailed message about the location where this thing is going to happen, so that the on-demand basis of manual work should be done to avoid the frequent way of visiting the manual work of identification the opening of a fridge. This can be strictly avoided the number of human resource wasted. This is where the actual scenario where the entire process should be takes place. We will be having a sensors integrated with the LED board, and then this is where the Arduino board, we are placing the 9-volt battery integrated with the Arduino board, and with this we are integrating the interface between the mobile application. So the benefits of using this application, the major benefits of going the manual work will be strictly reduced with the help of this sensor integrated with the mobile application. Second thing, the time constraint with the help of this manual work will be reduced on the frequently basis of visiting the product, whether the door has been opened or not, it is major extent. And while placing this application wherein the installation cost will be very less, and then the maintenance cost will not be taken larger amount, and it will run for a longer period of time, so that it will be helpful for the environment and as well as for the industry. So that the help of this sensor, we can easily detect whether a door has been open or not. That is where it comes to identifying the defects easily. Whether the door has been open or not can be identified easily with the help of this sensor. With this, we are suggesting this solution of mobile application will be very well suitable for the environment as well as for the industry. So with this case study, we want to conclude that the mobile application integrated with the Arduino will be helpful for the case study which we went on. With this, you clearly understood the case study and suggested solution which will be very well suitable for the company growth and as well as for the environment. With this, I conclude my case. Just want to recap which I had. So the case which you consider is a open door of a fridge detection monitoring and using sensor. So when we integrated the sensor in the fridge, plays a vital role in the execution part of the program. So this is where the problem defined came into convergence of manual work of identification. So in order to avoid that, we thought of finding the mobile application will be helpful in a larger case of part. The main benefits which we have will be work reduced time constraint, and then cost will be less, and then easy to find the fault. Thank you for the patience being on this case today. Thank you.